What's up everybody, in this video we are going to fix the Xbox game bar not working on our Windows. So if you are having that issue, you can just go over and follow these steps to fix it. So we can start by enabling the Xbox game bar, which is one of the most common fix. Open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, you can just go over the gaming section and access it up. After you go over the gaming section, you can look out for Xbox game bar. Usually you can find it up if you have that. And once you go to your Xbox game bar, this one right here, you can just go over and enable the game bar for your Xbox. And once you do so, you need to close this up and you can restart your PC after that, and that should probably fix it. Apart from that, you can check your background recording permissions. Go to settings for that again and go to gaming again. And within gaming, you can look out for the captures option. And from captures, what you need to do is here in the section, you can go over and turn on the option for recording in the background. If that option is available here, you can just go over and turn that option on, the toggle option on for that particular settings, and allow the recordings for your device. And also you can reset your Xbox game bar application. You can go to your settings for that, and within your settings you can look out for the apps option. And within your apps, you can go to the installed apps, and from here look out for the option for Xbox game bar. So you can directly search for your game bar, and once you find it up, you can click on the three dot and select the option for repair if that option is available. And just go and repair that particular app that is having the issue, usually your game bar. And you can try it out. If not this, what you can do is you can just go over and reinstall it. You can look out for Microsoft Store for that. And within your Microsoft Store, you can look out for your game bar. So wait for it to load up and directly type in game bar and hit enter. And once you find your particular application that you're looking for, you can just go over and reinstall this particular application, and that should also probably fix the issue. And you can even enable the game bar via registry. You can type in Windows plus R and type in regedit. Hit enter and click yes. And once you click on yes, you can just go over to HKey current user at the very top. So you can just go over and select this one right here, HKey current user. Expand it up, and within HKey current user, you can go to the software section. Expand this one right here, and within software, you need to go over and look out for Microsoft Windows. You can scroll down and find the option for Microsoft Windows and expand that one right here. And within Microsoft, you need to look out for your Windows. Go scroll down for that and go to the Windows section and click on it. And within Windows, you can just go and look out for your current version. And within current version, look out for game DVR. You need to scroll down, find the game DVR, this section right here. And once you do so, you need to head over this section, and within game DVR, you can look out for your game DVR enabled. If that option is enabled right here for game DVR, you can just go over and enable it from this section right here and close this up. And that should probably fix your issue. You can restart your PC once that is done, and that should probably fix that. So we hope this video was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video.